Come soon. Good morning, everyone. My voice is audible. But I told you now, we will have any echo, big problems are there or okay. See, last class rationalization based on limits I taught you, because limits is a very important topic for your coming 12th syllabus. So limit part I have discussed, some rationalization part I have discussed. Okay. So rationalization part I have discussed. Now today I am going to take 12th. Can you arrange class for 12th on morning by online? You are in 11th or 12th, Kishore? Now look here, rationalization part we have finished. Now we are going to go for one formula. So some important formula on limits I am going to discuss. Kishore, 11th or 12th beta? So now look here. One important formula is there. Limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n a to the power n minus 1. Now I am giving you some very important formula for limits. Payoja, good morning beta. Okay, but this session or next session you are talking about? Now look here, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. This is one of the most important formula of limits. Okay, so when somebody will be asking you any questions like this, how we are going to proceed in very short, like limit x tends to 2, check very nicely, limit x tends to 2, x to the power 10 minus 1024 by x minus 2. So if anybody will give you this part question, okay, right now I think I'm talking to Kishore na, Gokulam school student. Okay beta, I'll arrange online morning for you, no problem. Now look here, so this part will become limit x tends to 2, x to the power 10 minus 2 to the power 10 by x minus 2. So same format it is coming. Same format it is coming, x to the power 10 minus 2 to the power 10 by x minus 2. You see n and same. So here 10, 10 same, x minus 2 by this is there. So the formula will become 10, because n will be there, so instead of n what is there, 10 to the power 10 minus 1, so it will become 10 into 2 to the power 9. This will become the formula, 10 into, okay beta, 10 into 2 to the power 9, this will become the formula. You need to remember this part, how we are solving the question. If any other person will ask you this question, how to subtend this question answer, how we are going to do. So see, formula is this one, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. Formula is n to the power n into a to the power n minus 1. Okay, so now one more question I am showing you. Limit x tends to a, x to the power m minus a to the power m by x to the power n minus a to the power n. If they will ask you this question, then how you are going to proceed? X to the power m minus a to the power m by x to the power n minus a to the power n. When this part will be there, then how we are going to proceed? Now look here, limit x tends to a, x to the power m minus a to the power m. We will divide numerator by x minus a and denominator also by x minus a. So numerator and denominator both I divided by x minus a. Numerator and denominator both I divided by x minus a. And here I am going to write that numerator and denominator divided by x minus a. So dividing numerator and denominator by x minus a. So when I am dividing numerator and denominator by x minus a, here one thing is there, x minus a, x minus a. Now this numerator part came into this formula, so it will become what? So limit x tends to a, x to the power m minus a to the power m by x minus a. This will become numerator part. Next part, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. So this section will become m into a to the power m minus 1, and here it will become n into a to the power n minus 1. So this will become the formula m into a to the power m minus 1 n into a to the power n minus 1. This will become your formula m by n. Like this we can write m into a to the power m minus 1 n into a to the power n minus 1. This is the formula m into a to the power m minus 1 n into a to the power n minus 1. This is the formula with which we are solving the question. I hope you might have understood this one. Payaja understood? So this is m into e to the power. So this is one formula. Okay. One, two more typical questions like this I am giving you so that you will remember the formula. Nishika, able to solve this question? Now write next question. One more formula based question like this. Question is, if accidentally they will give you limit x tends to 1 x to the power 15 minus 1 by x to the power 20 minus 1. Then how we are going to solve this question? Check this one out nicely. X to the power, solve this question, x to the power 15 minus 1 by x to the power 15 minus 1 by x to the power 20 minus 1. So if accidentally they will give you this formula, means how we are going to proceed with the formula and solve it. Check this one out. X to the power 15 minus 1 by x to the power 20 minus 1. See, again I told you what formula we have to use. Everyone please listen carefully. What formula you have to use? Limit x tends to 1. First work, you check. X to the power 15 minus 1 to the power 15. We can write like this. And x to the power 20 minus 1 to the power 20, because 1 to the power 20 is what, Nishika? 1 only. X to the power 15 is also 1 only. Now beta, here x minus 1, everybody please pay attention here. Our formula was, since we know that limit x tends to a, whenever limit will be x tends to a, you remember this one first. What is that, Nishika? Limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n a to the power n minus 1. N a to the power n minus 1. Very good, Sujata. So what answer will be coming here? So now look here. N a to the power n minus 1. This is our formula. And our question is, limit x tends to 1, x to the power 15 minus 1 to the power 15. Now we will divide it by x minus 1. Dividing numerator and denominator by x minus 1. Now check here, down it is coming x to the power 20 minus 1 to the power 20 by x minus 1. So first, so 15 into 1 to the power 15 minus 1, n a to the power n minus 1, and 20 by 20 into 1 to the power 20 minus 1. 1 to the power anything we will keep means it will stay like that only. So it will become 15 by 20. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So answer will become 3 by 4. Check one more time. Sujata, 3 by 4 will come because 20 is there. Now, so 20 will come. 20 into 10 to the power 20 into 1 to the power, that part will come. So here it will become 3 by 4. Answer will come 3 by 4. This is the most important thing. You must remember this one. Limits is very, very important for grade 12. Now you are not preparing for grade 10 or grade 11. You are preparing for grade 12. If you are very good in limit in all these sections, your competition exams and everything will become easy for you. Understood? So small tricks and small things I'm teaching for limits. You remember all these things. Now next part question. Are you all ready? The second section of limit is, first I taught you for rationalization. Remember, first I taught you how to rationalize. First I taught you how to put LHL is equal to RHL. Okay. Then I taught you whenever subtending to 0 at center, limit value will be there, how you are going to proceed with limit part. Now I am going to give you infinity questions. Always remember one thing. Okay, if somebody will write limit extends to infinity, this is a very typical part. Limit extends to infinity. What if limit is extending to infinity? When limit extends to infinity, directly if somebody will write like x, then what will be the value coming? The value coming is infinity only, because at center the value is coming as infinity. This is a very simple concept. I did not make it any difficult content here. The limit extends to infinity. When x will be written, it will directly come as infinity. Okay. So now here, if limit will be tending to infinity, we don't need x tends to infinity. We need 1 by x. You know why? Because now look here, next part. Limit x tends to infinity. If 1 by x will be there, then answer will come 0. Then answer will come 0. Why? Because if you will write 1 by infinity, 1 by infinity means 1 by 1 by 0. So it will become 1 into 0 by 1. Answer will come 0. So whenever any variable extends to infinity part will be there, at that particular moment, what is our most important content is we will be keeping it as 1 by x tends to 0. This is the most important part. This is the most important part, and everybody must remember this one. Whenever limit will be tending to, so whenever it will be tending to 0, it will be tending to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. Always remember. So this is the most important part, how we are going to achieve this question and how we are going to solve this question. Satya, are you there in the group? So now look at, we'll go for the next section. Let's check this one out. So one question is there, limit extends to infinity. Limit extends to infinity. Ax square plus bx plus c by dx square plus ex plus f. So if this type question is given to you, how you are going to proceed with this question? Check very nicely. Here x is tending to infinity, and here directly, then you know what you will say? Auntie, answer will come infinity by infinity, because it is in infinity by infinity format, but the answer is not infinity by infinity. Answer will come with specific numbers. Understand or not? How we are going to handle this question? Check very carefully. So when such situations are given, how we are going to care this question? So now look here, limit extends to infinity. First we will take the highest degree of x square. What is the highest degree of x square? X is, sorry, what is the highest degree of x? The highest degree of x is x square. We will take out x square. If x square is coming out, what left here? A. This part will become b by x and this part will become c by x square. Now here also denominator part, highest degree x square taken out. If x square is taken out, what left? D plus E by x plus f by x square. So this is exactly left out. You need to remember this one. So when x square is taken out, so a by x square, see look here, what we did is we divided numerator and denominator by x square. So if this part will be divided by x square, x square will get cancelled. What left only is a. But b, if you will divide by x square, what will happen? This and this will cancel. So b by x will come. C when divided by x square means c by x square. And what did I said? Given since x is tending to infinity, so 1 by 10, therefore 1 by x will tends to 0. This is the most important logic you have to use here. Ki whenever x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. So here what this x square will get cancelled. Now wherever x is there, we can very bravely put there infinity. So whenever it will be putting infinity means b by infinity means 0, c by infinity means 0. Here e by infinity means 0, f by infinity means 0. Then what left? A by d left as answer. Understood? Because whenever x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0 because of the value of infinity. Infinity value is 1 by 0. Very simply solve these questions. No need to do here and there. This is one section. Another section is given limit x tends to infinity. Okay, x tends to infinity. One more question like this I am solving. 3x square minus 1 plus 2x square minus 1 by 4x plus 3. So when this question is given, what is the expected answer? Come on, go for it. Question is root under 3x square minus 1 plus 2 and root under 2x square minus 1 by 4x plus 3. Come on, try this question out. Because all the logics and everything I taught you, now we are exactly going to solve this question. Try this question out. So what else we can do here? Think what else we can do here, what we can do to solve this question. See, this is plus what we are searching first we need to see. What is you are searching? You want infinity to go because whenever x tends to infinity, here you will substitute infinity means this total part will become infinity, this total part will become infinity, this total part will become infinity. So infinity by infinity will come. But limit says that whatever format is there, our answer should not be infinity or 0 or not defined. Our answer should be in the defined format. And for that defined format, we have to do one work. Let's check this one out. What work we need to do? So here it is, limit x tends to infinity. First we will take out x square from root. Okay. So when you are taking out x square from root, it will become only x. So now 3 is not having x square. Now but 1 by x square will be there because you snatched x square and taken out. So 3 will not have x square. 1 will have 1 by x square. From here also I snatched x outside. So what will be left? 2 minus 1 by x square. Now denominator part I am going to snatch x out. So it will become 4 plus 3 by x. Because the moment you will put this one inside, it will become 4x plus 3. This one also if you will put inside, it will become 3x square minus 1. So now we will take x common. X common taken out, it is coming as root 3 minus 1 by x square plus root 2 minus 1 by x square, and down part is x 4 plus 3 by x. So this x and this x will get cancelled. You see very carefully, this x and this x will get cancelled. So once this 2x is getting cancelled, What next work we have to do? Because now we are in a rush to solve the question. This root 3 will be left with root 2, because this part will become 0. Why? Because since we know that whenever x tends to infinity, therefore 1 by x tends to 0. This is the most important part. Whenever x tends to infinity, 1 by x will be tending to 0. This you remember. X tends to infinity means 1 by x tends to 0, and denominator part will be coming as 4, and this will become your respective answer. I hope everybody understood this one, how to proceed with the question. Done? Now I'm going to teach you a very typical question. Get ready for it. Infinity and minus infinity based questions also I'm going to teach you, so that you will be able to remember this part. Okay. Siddharth, you are there in the group? Just now joined us, Siddharth. Wait. Now next question. So infinity and minus infinity based questions we have to do. This is one of the most important questions for any pattern questions in examinations for J, and it will definitely be making in shortcut. I will teach. You must remember this one. How to solve this question. Now look at. Now this question came like this. Now I told you one thing. Whenever, yeah, previous question. That is limit extends to infinity section. I am teaching Siddharth. Previous limit questions you do, and please give me one revision examination for your coming examination in school, maths, and some sample paper or any important questions given means quickly you transfer me so that I can solve and teach you. Now look here. So first work is, this question is given to you. How we are going to handle this question? Because in this question you have only numerator. Denominator part is not at all there. So if denominator part is not there means how we are going to take out x? Because if we are taking out x also, it is of no use. So we need to first rationalize it. So when only numerator section is there, and that too in root, and here it is written x tends to infinity, means it is problem, big problem. So first solving this problem means we will first rationalize it. In rationalization, what we will do? X square plus x plus 1 minus root under x square plus 1. Now we will rationalize it with x square plus x plus 1 minus root under x square plus 1 by root under x square plus x plus 1. Here minus is there means plus root under x square plus 1. Now numerator and denominator both part is there. So limit extends to infinity. This and this a minus b. This part will become a minus b, a plus b. So it will become a square x square plus x plus 1 root under whole square minus x square plus 1 whole square beta. This section done. Now you check denominator section. Root under x square plus x plus 1 plus root under x square plus 1. Now till here you did. Now root and this part will get cancelled. Now what it will become? X square plus x plus 1 minus x square minus 1 by. Now denominator part, this part and this cancel, this and this cancel. What left here is root under x square plus x plus 1 plus root under x square plus 1. Still it is not out of our format. Okay, so now look here. This problem we are going to solve how? Limit x tends to infinity. See here, x we are going to write means write x. Now denominator part, highest degree of x square, highest degree is x square. So we will take out x square. So once we are taking out x square, x will only come out, and down it will become 1 plus this part will become 1 by x, because x square coming out means x will be divided by x square. Cancel means 1 by x plus 1 by x square, because we have snatched out x outside. Now here it will x will come out, this will become 1 plus 1 by x square. Now here what work we are going to do? Limit x tends to infinity, x is there, denominator part also x we have taken out. What left? 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square, plus here also x was there and here x, so we have taken out x outside. It is coming as root under 1 plus 1 by x square. Now this and this will get cancelled. Now what left is numerator part is 1, because very well we can write here infinity. Why? Because there is always a provision like what they have told, since x tends to infinity, therefore 1 by x tends to 0. Why? Because Siddharth, look here, 1 by x is infinity. Infinity value is, if somebody will give you 1 by infinity, infinity means 1 by 0. Means 0 will go up, it will become 0 by 1, so answer will come 0. So here wherever infinity is there, there we can put, here 1 by infinity means 0, 1 by infinity means 0, 1 by infinity means 0. So answer will come 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So answer will be coming as 1 by 2. This is one of the most iconic questions, and these questions will 100% trouble you in examinations. See, NCRT questions, this much level is not given. Some extra level I am giving you so that next year continuity part will become very easy for you. Any question you will see in continuity means you will be the first one who can solve the questions with all the tricks. See, in shortcut way, how to solve this? Because many students are saying that, okay, auntie, this question, na, how we are going to solve in shortcut way? When in shortcut way, when it will be there means you just rationalize it with plus. Don't even solve. So just rationalize it with plus. If you are doing plus rationalization, you see plus x square minus x square cancel, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, x will be on top, and after that you see where is the highest degree. Only check the highest degree, the highest degree coefficient. The highest degree coefficient here is 1, and the highest degree coefficient here is 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. So 1 by 1 by 1 by 2 will become the answer in shortest way. Now we are going to solve the next question. Now check this one. This is again another typical question I am giving you. Try and solve this question. See, when limit x tends to minus infinity, they will give. Limit x tends to minus infinity, they will give. Because till now we were doing for infinity. Now x is tending to minus infinity. How we are going to solve the question? When it is x square minus x plus 1, note down the question, and plus x is there. Come on, go for it. Try this question out. When it is written that कि limit x tends to minus infinity, root under x square minus x plus 1 plus x is there. At that time, how we are going to solve the question? Because here infinity is not there, it is minus infinity. Your content should be first remove minus infinity. It is a negative zone, because there it is minus infinity means totally we are in left side. Left side means it is not going to be good for us. So our first content should be to remove minus. Okay, so wherever plus will be there, it will become minus, and wherever minus will be there, it will become plus. Only one single thing I taught you. What did I say? Kill it. X will be equal to minus y. Sorry, y will be equal to minus x. That's it. We took y is equal to minus x. So wherever x is there, that part will change now. Now here, let we have assumed this one. Now this will change everything. How? Now here it will become limit y tends to infinity. Don't take, see, one more request I am having from all of you. Don't take let x tends to infinity or 0. Don't try to convert it into 0. Okay. 1 by h part will come. That is problem. Only simple technique I am teaching you. Instead of y is x is equal to minus infinity, you take only y is equal to minus x. See how simply it will be solved. Now here, instead of, so if you will be shifting it, see this part will become like same only. Now x is equal to minus x is equal to y, so it will become plus y plus 1. Understood? So where minus was there, it will become plus, and here plus 1 is there, so plus 1 is not going to get impacted. Now here plus x is there, so it will become minus y. Once you wrote till here, now only rationalize. Root under y square plus y plus 1 plus y by root under y square plus y plus 1 plus y. See if any, now do you see the answer from here? This part and this part means which section will get cancelled? You check very carefully. This a minus b, a plus b. You see answer is coming what? Limit y tends to infinity, this part will become y square plus y plus 1, and this is a plus b, a minus b, so minus y square will be there. You check very nicely here, minus a plus b, a minus b, so y into y will become y square, so this and this will get cancelled. Okay, now denominator part, anybody can see the answer? I'm saying answer is 1 by 2. Check without solving, you see beta, because here now y you can take common, that's it, answer will come minus or plus. You check this one out, y tends to infinity, you take y outside, it will become 1 plus 1 by y for solving. And down denominator part again, y square if you are taking out common means y will come out common, 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 by y square, and then this part will be coming as y. Now you take y common and cancel it. So what answer will come? Limit y tends to infinity. This is y cancelling. Y will get cancelled 1 by y, and then here y taken out. It is coming root under 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 by y square plus 1. So this and this will get cancelled, 1 by 1 plus 1, 2. 1 by 2. So this is exactly the technique for solving the questions. If we will be wishing like ki, this part we have to do means simply we need to do only one work. See, I did not convert it into 0. Most of the teacher will advise you that whenever infinity is there, you convert it into 0. I'm telling, don't do anything. It will lapse somewhere. Problem will come. Simple work is minus infinity given means take any other variable and snatch that minus and just kill the minus there only. After that, you rationalize it, and then whatever is the procedure, you do it. Simply, we can solve the questions. This question, many times, many students struck and they were asking how to proceed with this question. This is the most easiest question. Come on, see this one. Now I'm going to go for that questions which are very, very, very important for you. These formulas what I'm giving you, no need to derive the formula. But yes, these formulas what I'm going to give you in limit, this will be useful for your class 12th. This is 99% important question for you for grade 12 and competitions. These formulas will do wonders in your examination if you will be doing it nicely. I hope you have listened what I said. So please follow what I am telling you. Noted, Nishika? I hope everybody noted what I told. Get ready for what I am giving you right now. This is the most important thing, most important formula. Derivation of this formula, nobody will ask. Okay, never in examination it will come. In competition to anywhere, this formula will work as wonders. Trust me. What and all are the formulas? Derivation, don't waste time again and again, because many students, they will search its derivation. It's waste of time. The most important formulas I'm giving you right now. Write down the formula. If limit x tends to 0, then sin x will be equal to 0. This is the first part. Second, limit x tends to 0, cos x will be equal to 1. This is too simple now. The moment you will put 0, sin 0 value is 0. Okay. Now second part is cos 0. Cos 0 value is coming as 1. Now next, if somebody will give you this, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, then what is the formula? the formula will become 1. Remember this one. Tan limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, it is also equal to 1. So these are the 4 important things. And now this you need to remember, this part you please remember, sin x by x. And one more thing is there, if they will give you like this, limit x tends to a, again I am repeating, limit x tends to a, then how we are going to proceed? Then here it should be, you shift this one. See, when x tends to a, I am shifting this side, it will become x minus a will tends to 0. This is as simple. So understood or not? So here it is written that, please check this one out. Here if they will give you limit x tends to a, so x minus a tends to 0. So here it should be x minus a and then x minus a. If it is x minus a, then only the value will become equal to 1. Remember this, note down this very nicely. This last part is bomb, atom bomb. I'm telling you why it is atom bomb. Because x tends to, limit x tends to, because many students now, they will do only one work. They will see this. Limit x tends to a, tan of x by x is equal to 1. And I'm telling you this is 100% wrong. It will not be correct. Okay, so what you need to do here is, here if x tends to 0 is there, see, when limit x tends to 0, then tan x by x is equal to 1 is highly appreciable. But if limit x tends to 2 is there, understood, then here it should be tan x minus 2 by x minus 2, and then only it will become equal to 1. Okay, why? Because you shift this one this side, it will become x minus 2 tends to 0. Understood? So once you are shifting it, it will directly make x minus 2 tends to 0, and the moment x minus 2 is tending to 0, it is coming as 1. So here sign also. So if somebody will give you limit sin x tends to 1, then what answer you are going to write? You should be writing like x minus 1 by x minus 1, and then it will be equal to 1. Always, it will be no other trigonometric ratio, it will be 1. Note down. Note down, take your time and note down, because now I am going to teach you one step more than this, because I am preparing you for both the examinations. Please. Nishika, did you got it, Peter? समझ में आया? Now look here, beta. One very typical technique I am teaching you. This technique you must remember. Any doubt will be coming, miss? Ask me. This is for x tends to 1. When 1 is there, then 0 there means direct you can write. 0 there means direct you can write. So if somebody will be giving you like this question, limit x tends to 4, then here what should be there? Sine of x minus 4 and x minus 4, then only it will become equal to 1. You remember this one, then only it will be equal to 1, otherwise not possible. I'm telling you clearly, because a minus b, sine of a minus b formula, then you have to apply, many things are there, but in short I am teaching you right now this one. Now beta, this is for that section, but if it is written that limit x tends to 0 sine square x. Okay. Now here it is coming as sine square x. So if sine square x is there, then what formula we are going to write? You will say, auntie, we will do only one thing. We will put here 0, x 0. The answer will come 0. Okay. This is acceptable. Okay. But in middle of the questions where many things are present there, here if it is sine square x, then down it should be sine x square, this part should be there, then answer will come as 1. How it is possible? Let's teach you this one. So now look here, limit x tends to 0. First I am teaching you one very important format. If somebody will give you sine square x, it is nothing but sine x whole square. Understood? So in trigonometry, when we are writing sine square x is nothing but sine x whole square. So here it will become sin x whole square. Denominator part is also x whole square. So upside also whole square, downside also whole square. Can I write sin x by x whole square? Now our formula was, what was our formula? Our formula was limit x tends to 0 sine x by x is equal to 1. Payoja understood? Siddharth, Payoja, Rudra, everybody understood? This is a very important part, beta. Very, very important part. Carefully design it. Carefully listen it and check. Any doubt coming means immediately ask. So sine x by x will become equal to 1, beta. So this answer will come directly what? What answer we are expecting here? We are expecting an answer here as 1. Remember this one. The what is our answer? Our answer is coming here as 1. Now look at. Now you will ask, auntie, if this type question is there, then what we are going to do? Limit x tends to 0 sine square x by 2. Sine square x by 2. Then what we are needing? Now look here, this is x only. Sine square x by 2 is given to you. Sine square x by 2. Now denominator part what is there? Denominator part only x square is there. Then what answer you are going to do? Now quickly assess this one and check what I am doing. As a student, first work what I will do is limit x tends to 0. I will write sine x by 2 whole square. Done? Now, beta, denominator part is 2 is missing. 2 is not missing. 4 is missing. How? You check. X square by 4 into 4 you do. Okay? Now check this one nicely. So now limit x tends to 0. Upside is coming as sine of x by 2 whole square. Now beta, this part will become what? X by 2 whole square into 4. Done. Now beta, here it is, we will take it like this now. Limit x tends to 0 sine x by 2 by x by 2 whole square into 1 by 4. So this section, as our formula proceeds, this section will become 1. So it will become 1 into 1 by 4. Answer will come as 1 by 4. Did you got it how to solve these questions? Nishika understood? Check, take your time. Take your time and solve this beta. Take your time. If any doubt is there, you ask, because this is one of the most important part. We are not going to leave this. Take your time. Because here we multiplied and we divided. Because here denominator part is 2. What is the square of 2? Always remember. What is the square of 2 beta? Square of 2 is 4. Did you got it? Square of 2 is 4. So when square of 2 is 4, that time you divide it by 4 and multiply 4. You divide it by 4 and multiply 4. So it is coming as sine x by 2, x by 2 whole square. You check this one out, please. This is one of the most important part, children. This should not be missed. So any doubt is there, miss, immediately ask me. 2 or 3 more questions like this we will do. Remember this part. Did you got this? निशिका दरवाजा बंद कर लो. if x tends to 1 will be there, then whatever content will be there, that will be minus 1. It will shift like this, beta. If x tends to 1 na, then x minus 1 tends to 0. That part is there. If x tends to 1 means first we have to convert it into 0. Look here, एक question solve कर देती हूँ ताकि problem solve हो जाए. See, look here, beta. In the same type question na, if x will be tending to 1, that time what problem is coming? See, tends to 0 we have formula, okay, but tends to 1 we don't have formula. So at that point when x is tending to 1, निशिका सुन रही है कि बाल के साथ खेलते रहेगी, x tends to 1, if it is there, then how we are going to proceed? देखो इसको ढंग से देखो. Now look here, beta. If question like this is given, limit x tends to 1, but we are taking it as any constant, okay, why to have fear? We took it as any constant. Now it is given as sine square x given and x square is given. That time what is the expected answer? We don't know what is the expected answer. So now we are going to exactly play with this. So now look here, beta. Let first to shift this one this side. So what it will become? Let x is equal to a plus h. Anything constant we are going to write. Then this part will shift this part. Since x tends to a, therefore x minus a tends to 0 and h will be tending to 0. Check this one very carefully, children. This is the most important thing. Look here, Payoja, confusion नहीं होना चाहिए इस questions में कि x is equal to a plus h कर दिया, ठीक है, इसको इधर लेके आएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? a minus 1. यहीं पे चेक कर लो ना, x tends to a is there, okay. So when x tends to a is there, if we shift this side, x minus a tends to 0. So that means x minus a will become h, because x minus a is equal to h and h will tends to 0. Simple concept. Okay, so once you have written till there, now we will write limit h tends to 0. Now first a was there, now h tends to 0. Now here it will become what, beta? This part x is equal to now a plus h by a plus h. अब check करो, a plus h and a plus h whole square. Wherever a was there, now a plus h came. Now we can write it as one answer. I rest my case. Wherever x was there, beta, wherever x was there, I wrote here x is equal to a plus h. Wow, these people are not seeing any informations. They are so good. Just 1 minute, beta. One student is asking information, that information only given. I hope everybody understood. पायोजा कैसे convert करना है देख लेना. हम always remember, beta, if x tends to, this simple thing I'll teach you. If x tends to 5, that means x minus 5 will tends to 0. Take x minus 5 is equal to h. Then it will come h tends to 0. Understood? Then it will become h tends to 0. This is the most simplest thing. Anybody saying anything, now don't listen. They will teach big things. You say that this is the only thing. If this is exactly going to work, means I am going to think this thing, that thing, left parameter, right parameter, left this, right this. Simple meaning is this only. That's it. We will go simple, will not make it complex. I hope everybody understood this one. How to proceed with the questions, children? Understood, Nishi? So this is the way to proceed and get the answer. This is the most simplest way to handle the question first. Anybody saying anything, miss? Hear from here and take it out from there. Okay. So now look here, beta. Another question. So this is the formulas, and with the help of these formulas, we are going to solve question. NCRT question written. Now write limit x tends to 0 sine ax by sine bx. So what can be the expected answer? What can be the expected answer? I will say without solving, answer is a by b or b by a. What is the answer? I am saying without solving, answer is a by b. How we are going to do? Without solving, without touching the pen, paper, anything, I am saying answer is a by b, not by saying. You will also say, see here, this part is there now. What we need? Check this one out nicely. See, our formula is what? Limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1. Done na? Here sine ax is there. What we will do? We will write limit x tends to 0 sine ax. So numerator we will write like this. We can write multiply and divide. Multiply numerator by ax, very good, and denominator part will also become ax. Now denominator part here, what we are going to write? Sine bx by bx into bx. So this section will become what? 1. This section will become 1. So it will come as, and this x and x will get cancelled. So directly we can write answer as a by b. Yes, that's the correct answer. Good morning. So this is exactly the answer. Very simple, yet no complication, direct answer. Nothing to be done here. Now one more question I am giving you. Try solving this question. What will be the answer? Limit x tends to 0 sine square ax by sine square bx. Because I am going to make it little difficult for you. Just answer is what? Correct. What is the answer? Without solving. सोने का टाइम है तो जाके सो जाओ. Fine, let's solve this question. Try this question out. Sine of, what answer we can expect here? Say. Answer is very simple. Here it will become what? Limit x tends to 0. We can write it as sine ax whole square. Now square of it is missing, so we will do one thing. This and this for numerator section, denominator sine bx whole square. So what we need? Bx whole square into bx whole square. So this and this part will become 1. So limit x tends to 0, a square x square by b square x square. If you want to exaggerate, otherwise directly answer is coming as a square by b square. Absolutely correct, Paraja. This is exactly coming as a square by b square. Yes, this is a simple answer, a square by b square. I hope you might have understood. But this is not the only question I am going to give, because now I am going to make the question level difficult for you. So this is one part. Now what if they will give you this question? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by x square. Now you handle this question and say the answer. Absolutely correct, Navneet. 1 minus cos 2x by x square. If they will give you this, then what you are going to do? See, for this now, we have one formula. This formula in 12th is very, very important. Please kindly don't forget this formula. Like ABCD, how you remember this formula, you remember. Formula is cos 2x is written as cos square x minus sine square x. Same cos 2x formula, it will be written as cos 2x will be 2 cos square x minus 1. Same cos 2x will be written as 1 minus 2 sine square x. Nothing I did. Nothing I did. I converted sine square x as 1 minus cos square x. Yes, nothing I did. I wrote there, no, 1 will not be answer. Check one time. Sin square x will become 1 minus cos square x. So minus minus plus, you see, this is the format. Here in denominator part, it is written as x square. So I can't use this formula, not possible. Here also, cos is there and denominator part is x. I can't use this formula also. So let's play with this part. Question was limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by x square. So what we will do? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus, instead of cos 2x, can I write 1 minus 2 sin square x by x square? Now look here. Limit x tends to 0, open this bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine square x by x square. This and this will get cancelled. Limit x tends to 0, it will become 2 sine x whole square by x square, x whole square. This part will become 1, answer will come as 2. Yes, now it is correct. And this is one of the most typical questions and we must solve these questions. Next limit class means I will be teaching more complicated questions in trigonometry. I told you I will not be running fast, but I will be running with these type of trendy questions in limit, because continuity and differentiability plus differentiation plus inverse trigonometry, all this will come in class 12 and they will kill you if you don't have concept of all this. That will be very, very dangerous for you if you don't know how to do this. After the derivatives is there. See, shall we go for one very good question? Simple question I am giving you, not at all complex. Go for this. If this section will come as question, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx by 1 minus cos 2nx. Now what should be your idea for solving this question? Try this question. Numerator and denominator. Divide? No. Why we are going to divide it? Cos is there means we need to convert it into sine. See, 1 minus cos means directly it will become sine. Check this one out. See, 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. You remember this. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. How it came? It came with the basic formula, na? Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Shift this one this side, this one this side. It will become 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Done. Work over. Check now. Now try solving this question. This is seriously a good question. See, look here. This part will become what? First, you convert it into sine, one by one. It will become 2 sine square mx by 2 sine square nx. Cancelled. Now, limit x tends to 0. Here you write sine mx whole square. That means mx whole square down, mx whole square up, sine nx whole square by nx whole square into nx whole square. This part and this part will become 1. X square will cancel. Answer will come m square by n square. That's it. This is the only thing. Within no time you can solve the question if you have command. Because you know that, since you know that limit x tends to 0, sine of x by x is equal to 1. This is the most important thing. Square of things means x square, x square. Square and square will get cancelled. It will coming as m square by n square. I hope everybody might have understood this one. ACS school, your test is coming. I want to give revision. Contact me. Okay. Bye everyone. More questions day after tomorrow I'm going to bring for you people. No holiday. Because yesterday I gave holiday.